Here is the most common issue I find amongst almost all small businesses' websites I review. Can you guess what it is? The web pages they use to sell their services or products look like they've been put together without much thought and not optimized for local SEO. If your website falls into this category, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to give you 19 tips, yes, you've heard correctly, 19 tips to write awesome local SEO content pages for your website that should lead to higher Google local rankings and convert more visitors into customers. Hey, my name is Luc Durand, the founder of rankingacademy.co.uk. If it's your first time here today, why don't you subscribe and click on the bell button before the end of this video so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Writer's block, which is a temporary or lasting failure to put words on paper, is real. I personally struggle with it on a weekly basis. And based on many websites I have reviewed, it seems that a lot of you have clearly suffered from it when you wrote your web pages. It's one thing being a plumber or a dentist, but it's another when it comes to writing copy for the web pages you are going to publish on your website. Unfortunately, describing what you have to offer in just a couple of paragraphs and hoping to rank in Google is not going to cut it. Both Google and prospective customers will need a little bit more than that. If you are lacking inspiration and are wondering how you can improve your pages, here is a list of 19 tips that should help you craft some powerful SEO pages for your website. Tip number 1, add a header. Add a header on your page that includes your targeted keyword and your location along with a quick introduction. Include the keyword you target within the introduction or a close synonym as well. Make sure the title is wrapped with an HTML tag which tells search engines this is the main title of the page. Tip number 2, add a call to action. Add a call to action that is highly visible and high up on the page so visitors can get in touch at a click of a button without having to scroll down the page. This will help increase conversion. Make sure the button is also visible on the mobile version of your site without visitors having to scroll down. Tip number 3, add your unique selling points. Help visitors understand why you are a better option than your competitors by listing your unique selling points. Be mindful of the design. Use bullet points or tick marks to make it as impactful as possible and easy to read. Tip number 4, add a hero image. Add a relevant hero image at the top of your page that will convey what the page is about. Images help your website rank in Google search, so choose it carefully. Here is a quick tip on how to choose the most relevant image for your page. Go to Google and search for the product or service you are creating your web page for, then click on Images. You can now see what type of images Google associates with this keyword. Make sure you use a similar image on your page. Word of warning: do not use a free image from a stock photo. Free stock photos are nowhere near as effective as using your own photos. Google can read photos and will be able to see the same photo that has been used on multiple websites. Finally, don't forget to add an HTML tag to your image in which you can include more relevant keywords without spamming, of course. Tip number 5, describe your process. Include a small section on what clients can expect when they pay for your services in the form of the method you use, a step-by-step description of your procedure or how it works. This will help manage your clients' expectations when they decide to choose you, but will also give you another chance to add more contextual keywords and relevance to your page. Tip number 6, add videos. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then how much is a video worth? Well, apparently 1.8 million words according to a Forrester study. Whether this is true or not, it is pretty evident video content has become huge. Since Google rewards pages with rich content, consider adding videos to your pages. Here is an example for one of my clients' webpage who added a short video to one of his pages to help visitors reset their storage heater, which is a common problem. Since the video was published on YouTube and YouTube is able to automatically transcribe it, you can imagine there's a link made between the page and the video. Also, since this video was published on YouTube 11 months ago, it clocked over 20,000 views and is now the #1 result for the keyword reset storage heater. Not bad exposure for a local electrician. Tip number 7, add before and after images. If you find video making a little too daunting, then photos can still work very well. You can either use flat images or more interactive ones, which are my preferred option. Don't forget to add related keywords or synonyms to the ones you are targeting in the description of the images. Tip number 8, add testimonials. Add testimonials or reviews to your pages. I know what you might say, testimonials can be easily faked, which is true. That's why when I use them, I always make sure I can add proof they are genuine. How? I just asked some of my clients if they'd be willing to provide a photo of themselves along with the testimonials, which I can integrate directly on my page. As part of the testimonials, I also link to their website, so if anyone is having doubt these are real people, they can easily check by visiting their site. Alternatively, consider using video testimonials too. I think they are even more powerful. Once again, here is an example my client used on one of his pages, which provided yet another chance to create additional keyword-rich content. Tip number 9, add case studies. Case studies offer a number of benefits, including increased trustworthiness with web visitors and increased conversion rates. To be effective at building trust with potential clients, your case studies need to have a compelling narrative about how your product or service helped someone else in real life. You need to show how the person's life was different after. Tip number 10. List related services or products. Add a list of other related services or products you provide and link to the appropriate pages. This is called internal linking and is one of the most important on-page SEO strategies. It will help Google better understand the structure of your site and for your pages to rank higher in search results. It will also make it easier for visitors to find what they are looking for. Tip number 11. Add guarantees. Do you offer formal assurance that what you promise to deliver, whether it's a service or a product, will be fulfilled, if not repaired or replaced? If you do, add it to your page. Guarantees of any form provide customers with peace of mind and also give them an opportunity to get things straight with you if they are not satisfied. Tip number 12. Add frequently asked questions. FAQs have become a key piece of content to add to any of your web pages for many reasons. First, they are easy to create. Just listen to the most common questions your customers ask. Second, Google is integrating more and more of this type of content directly in its results, some of which could be coming from your website, giving you more visibility. Third, if you implement them right, they will show up directly in Google's search results right under the title of your page. Quick tip, if you want to find hyper-relevant FAQ content you can add to your pages, watch my video, How to do Keyword Research in 3 clicks. Within 2 minutes, you'll get a list of questions that, according to Google, are directly linked to your website. Tip number 13, add unique local images. When it comes to local businesses, authenticity is key. Anyone can put together a website and add some random free stock images to their pages. However, visitors are becoming a lot savvier when choosing a local business, and it will take them a little more than that to be convinced you are truly local to them. To overcome this, think of using images that reflect the location in which you operate, which include a recognizable landmark, for example, or images you've taken near some well-known local shops. Tip number 14, add awards. Has your business received an award, trophy, or accolade for one of the services you provide which are worth mentioning? Include them on your page as it will convey further credibility. Tip number 15, embed a Google map. When I say embed a Google map, I mean the Google map that is directly associated with your Google My Business listing. To do this, you can copy and paste the code provided by Google directly on your page or pages, which is available under the share button of your listing. There are multiple reasons why you should embed a Google map instead of any other map. The Google map will display the exact address of your business. It will provide direction to your business at a click of a button, so visitors will know how to get to you, which will save them from doing any additional research. It will highlight your review rating, which will help convert visitors into customers, as long as your rating is good enough. Make sure you don't embed the map just on your homepage, but on all of your pages. Remember, not everyone will land on your homepage. For more details on how to do this, watch my video, How to add a Google map to your website. Tip number 16, add examples of some of your recent work. Adding examples of some of the work you've done locally will do 3 things. First, it will reassure visitors you are truly a local business. Second, it's a chance to showcase what you can do. Third, you can add some hyper-location keywords within the copy, giving your page even more relevance to the area you want to be found for. Tip number 17, make it easy to read. People landing on your pages are more likely to perform a quick scan searching for what they are looking for rather than read the full page itself. If you want to keep people engaged with your content and not bounce back to one of your competitors' websites, the layout of your page should be designed for scanning as well as attentive reading. You can do this by dividing your page sections using different colors, for example, adding images, using bullet points and listing formats, adding titles and clear call to actions. Titles are key SEO signals, so make sure you add relevant keywords in them whenever possible without spamming again. Wrap them with the appropriate HTML tag too. As explained in tip 1, the header of your page should be coded with what is known as an H1 tag. There can only be one header per page, meaning you can only use the H1 tag once. For all other titles, you should be using H2s and H3s and so on. Tip number 18. Craft an appealing meta description. For those of you who don't know what a meta description is, it is the snippet of copy that sits right under the title of your page in Google search results. Searchers read it and it influences whether or not they will click through to your website. You can control the copy of your page description through your content management system, so make sure it is appealing enough. Tip number 19. Add prices. Whenever you can, consider adding prices to your pages so visitors can anticipate costs and make an informed decision on the spot to call you or not. I personally find it very irritating when I can't see prices on a page and tend to jump to a competitor's website to at least get some idea around costs. That's it for today, guys. All of these tips should help you craft some great pages for your website or update existing ones. Try implementing as many of these tips as you can to give yourself the best chances of improving your rankings on Google local search results and convert more visitors into customers. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If it was your first time here today, remember to subscribe, and until next time, happy marketing.